I love the shape of your mouth. I love the taste of your lips. I love the way you pull me into you and I melt when you're holding my hips. I love the scar on your chest and all your perfect tattoos. You're a kind of drug, the kind that I need, the only kind I could choose. We can't get any better than this. You've stolen me with your perfect kiss, and I know, I know, I know you I've waited for. I love the sound of your laugh when you throw back your head. I love the way you always reach for my hand when I get out of bed. I love the way that you taste, call me ball and chain, but you would sink to the depths of the sea, still breathing my name. We can't get any better than this. You've stolen me with your perfect kiss, and I know, I know, I know who I've waited for. You captured me, but it's no surprise. I saw it coming in your eyes, and I do, I do, I do. I belong to you. I belong. Oh, 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 let's build a home. Let's build a home. 'Cause you are, you are, you are, you are.
Saya nikahkan anak perempuan saya yang bernama Sri Yuliati Sahabudin Sarjana Komunikasi dengan Ananda Muhammad Akmal Ali Sarjana Olahraga Master Olahraga dengan mahar Rp99 dan 1 setel perhiasan emas tunai karena Allah.
You take my hand and you take a knee, and I can see what you're asking me, and I do, I do, I do. I belong to you. We can't get any better than this. You stolen me with your perfect kiss, and I know, I know, I know you I've waited for. You took my hand when you took a knee.
Selamat nikah buat kakak saya satu-satunya. Happy wedding. Semoga sakinah, mawadah, warahmah.
Buat Mama sama Umi, selamat ya. Semoga menjadi keluarganya sakinah, mawadah, warahmah, dan cepat dapat momongan. Amin.